Apple cider vinegar is something that has become very popular recently. It's the current trend among fitness and health enthusiasts. But you might be surprised to hear our extensive list of apple cider vinegar benefits that have been well known for centuries. It is said that the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, used apple cider vinegar for cleansing wounds and relieving coughs. So why has this folk remedy remained popular since ancient Greece? In today's video, we'll be talking about the 9 health benefits of apple cider vinegar and give you all the more reason to keep it handy in your pantry. Subscribe to Bestie and click the bell icon for future notifications. Before I actually start to tell you the benefits, let me clear up a few nutritional facts about why apple cider vinegar is so beneficial. Apple cider vinegar has only 3 calories per tablespoon, or 15 grams, and almost no carbohydrates. It also contains small amounts of potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. If that wasn't enough, add pectin, vitamin C, B1, B2, and B6, biotin, and folic acid to the list. Now, on to the benefits. Number 1. Helps in weight loss. Studies have found that drinking apple cider vinegar can not only reduce belly fat, but also stop your body from gaining fat and help you burn more fat by speeding up your metabolism. On top of that, it's also been shown to suppress your appetite, making you less likely to opt for those unhealthy snacks. You can have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar neat or mix it with water to make it easier on your stomach and mask the bitter taste. Mixing it with a spoonful of honey and lemon, you can also make it a tasty drink. You can get creative and mix it into salad dressings if you prefer a more savory option. Number 2. Prevents skin acne and pimples. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to contain anti-inflammatory properties. It consists of acetic acid and alpha hydroxy acid, which can help unblock pores and exfoliate the skin. This helps smooth skin texture and absorb excess oil on the skin. In addition, apple cider vinegar can help balance your skin's pH levels by reducing them, which helps dry up acne spots and remove dead skin cells. You can even use it as a toner to treat breakouts. Just mix raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with filtered water in a bowl. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and apply it on the affected skin. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash with warm water. Reapply a few times daily to see the results. Number 3. Helps in digestion. Apple cider vinegar is considered a prebiotic, which means it's a source of food for the beneficial bacteria in your body. This helps maintain the population of good bacteria in your gut, keeping your digestive system healthy. ACV helps stimulate production of stomach acid, which helps the digestive process. By increasing stomach acid production, apple cider vinegar helps your body properly break down and digest food. You can mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water and drink 15 to 20 minutes before a meal. Be sure to use raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Number 4. Beneficial for the hair. Apple cider vinegar helps prevent scalp buildup in your hair, which consists of dirt, dead skin, hair products, pollution, and even harmful chemicals. This buildup can clog your hair follicles, making it difficult for hair growth to continue. As a cleansing rinse, apple cider vinegar can gently remove this buildup and prevent it from returning by balancing the scalp's pH level. Apple cider vinegar has also been known to prevent dandruff. It is believed that the acidity of apple cider vinegar makes it difficult for malassezia, the fungus responsible for dandruff, to live and spread. This also helps in stopping the thinning of hair. Just combine apple cider vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio and pour it over wet hair. Leave in for 10 to 15 minutes, then massage your scalp to be sure the mixture reaches all the areas. Rinse thoroughly and repeat at least twice per week. Number 5. Cures hiccups. Studies have suggested that consuming 1 teaspoon of sugar with several drops of apple cider vinegar can stop hiccups. The sugar's grainy texture and the vinegar's sour taste are said to trigger nerves in the throat and mouth responsible for controlling the hiccup reflex. No need to hold your breath to cure it the next time you have hiccups. Number 6. Controls blood sugar. Recent studies have suggested that consuming apple cider vinegar can reduce post-meal glucose levels by as much as 20%. It was also found that consuming vinegar 2 times per day with meals can reduce glucose levels in the entire body. Like we said before, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, and this slows down the conversion of complex carbs into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar level spikes. It also promotes insulin secretion, further helping manage blood sugar levels better. You can either dilute it with water or just toss it on some non-starchy vegetables. Number 7. Helps lower cholesterol levels. Apple cider vinegar is rich in pectin, which attaches itself to the bad cholesterol and eliminates it. A study found that drinking 2 tablespoons of diluted apple cider vinegar twice a day reduced overall cholesterol levels by 13%. Just add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water and mix well. Drink this solution daily for best results. Number 8. Cures sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, which helps balance the pH of the tissues in your body. This inhibits the growth and spread of bacteria in your throat. It also has antibacterial properties that are quite effective in fighting against infectious germs and bacteria. Apple cider vinegar has long been used as an expectorant that can loosen and thin the mucus in your body and ease breathing. Mix apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and honey in a glass of warm water. Use this solution to gargle while taking small sips in between for sore throat relief. Number 9. Better heart health. If you're looking for a simple way to lower your risk of a heart attack, then look no further. Apple cider vinegar can help lower triglycerides that cause fatty plaque along your arteries. This buildup can lead to a blockage in the blood flow, causing heart problems. In addition, it also increases the amount of good cholesterol in your body, leading to a healthy heart. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in your cooking, for salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. It's best to start with small doses and avoid taking large amounts. Remember, too much apple cider vinegar can cause harmful side effects like tooth enamel erosion, bone loss, and potential drug interactions. Always use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in very small portions. Have you ever tried using apple cider vinegar for anything? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.